Uber drivers go on a 3-day strike. Holy smokes, my friends, this is getting crazy. You better be flipping my flapjacks because Uber drivers are fed up and want more pay. I want to hear from you. Do you think Uber drivers and Lyft drivers are getting paid enough? What about Uber Eats drivers, DoorDash, dare I say Instacart, Amazon Flex, Grubhub? You know the drill. We got all of them. We're talking about every single app on this channel. This is the Rideshare Hub. And before I get started about the strike, which I want to hear from you. Do you think striking helps? Do you think, I've heard from drivers, oh, we should go to the Uber headquarters and stand out there. I'm like, or the green light hubs and start. I'm like, no, I wouldn't go to the green light hubs. But I think talking about it online, honestly, is probably more helpful just because that's where, you know, these workers, these employees spend most of their time is online on their computers. And a lot of them work remote now. They, you know, they're like, anyways. So before I get into the strike, I want to tell you all about an awesome new insurance company called Buckle. And I have a special promo link down below. When you sign up for a free quote, you get $20, baby. $20 to get a free quote. Or you get $5 to get a free membership, and that's nationwide, anywhere in the United States. I believe it's not international yet, but anywhere in the United States, you get $5 to sign up for a free membership. And they're a rideshare insurance company, and they will actually replace your old auto insurance. So you don't need two, you only need one, and they could potentially be way cheaper than your current one. So anyways, listen to this. Ola cab drivers and Uber drivers go on a 3-day strike in Guwahati. 12,000 Ola and Uber drivers in Guwahati had already protested in November 2016, but now the members of all Guwahati cab owners and driver associations, so it sounds like there's a union over there. Very interesting, which I don't believe there is one in America, although there is Rideshare Drivers United, but I don't know. They're running Ola and Uber cabs have reportedly gone on a 3-day strike starting today. The Ola and Uber drivers have asserted that decreased incentives are the reason for the protest. They have complained that their margins are getting affected and their business is suffering as new drivers are joining the platform. Therefore, the association wants the cab aggregators to stop enrolling new drivers. No more new drivers. You want to sign up to be an Uber driver? Nope. Nope. Sorry, bro. Listen to this. Ismail Ayali, the president of the association, said, the company assured us of an income about $1,160 US per month, but now we earn between $386 to $464 per month. The EMI for my vehicle is about $208, and there are overhead expenses. If Ola and Uber do not respond to our demands, then we will go on an indefinite strike. AKA, we ain't driving, buddy. The cab drivers have also complained about bad connectivity in the city, due to which they were unable to locate the customer. Oh my gosh, have you ever been driving for Uber and you have no service? This is an Uber driver's worst nightmare. You're like, where do I go? Where do I go? You're like, hey, anybody got an Uber? You got an Uber over there, Uber over there, Uber there. Hey, yeah, Uber driver, what's your name? You're Billy Bob Joe, Billy Bob Swanson. Yeah, if you've ever ran out of service, driving for Uber, or doing, oh my gosh, doing delivery, you can't even log in and take a photo of the, oh my god, you can't even say that the food's delivered, that's the worst. Or when you're doing, oh my gosh, even worse, is when you gotta get a freaking signature, you're doing a grocery drop-off delivery, and they gotta upload the picture of their ID, and you don't got service, you're like, what do I do now, buddy? And you gotta like leave and go get service, then come back, and it's like a whole ordeal. You're basically asking your customer at that point, hey, do you mind going to Starbucks with me real quick so I can get some Wi-Fi? They're like, no, I'm watching the football game, buddy. That's why I freaking ordered, so I didn't have to go outside. An Uber spokesperson responded and said, with sustained high demand for both riders and drivers in Guwahati, we can shift from startup mode to a more sustainable business model and begin reducing higher levels of incentives and invest more in drivers and our products for the long term. So it sounds like it's actually working in Guwahati, which, by the way, where the heck is Guwahati? I'm guessing it's in India. Guwahati is the biggest city in the Indian state of Assam and also the largest metropolis in northeastern India. There's so many like places in the world where I just have literally never heard of, and it's honestly a shame because I feel so uncultured. There's 957,000 people who live in Guwahati, and I didn't even know that Guwahati existed. Now I want to go to Guwahati. Anyways, that's the update. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Please thumbs it up. Sign up for Buckle Insurance using my link below to get a free quote, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now, guys.